Dear students, in previous class we discussed about insertion sort. Okay, sorting means arranging the elements in some type of order. So in that, for our syllabus we are having the only one method, that is the insertion sort. There are so many methods are there. But for us we are having only one method. For our syllabus we are having only one method, that is the insertion sort. So in previous class I have discussed about this one, how insertion sort will be how it is working. Okay, what are the tricks are there to sort an array using insertion method. In previous class I have discussed about it. So in today's class we are going to discuss about algorithm. Previous class now insertion sort ಯಾವ ತರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿವಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಗೋರಿದಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. You have to take one algorithm. Using that algorithm you can sort the array. Okay, using which method? Using insertion method only. Using insertion method we can sort an array. See the algorithm. Okay. Algorithm. So I will take here one array. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, lastly A of 4. Okay. So that are the various symbols with its position. These are various symbols with its position. Okay. Now I will write here an algorithm to sort these elements. To sort these elements, I will write here algorithm. So algorithm I will start with the steps. Step 1. Step 1. Okay. First step I am going to use the for loop. For I is equal to 1 to n minus 1. I is equal to 1 to n minus 1. I have not taken I is equal to 0. I have taken 1. Why? I have taken I is equal to 1. Now it becomes I. I will use the A of 1. Now I will use the A of 1, not 0. Why? Because we have assumed that this 0th position element is in a correct position. We assume that 70 is in a correct position. So that's why we taken first element as a 10 as a key element. Just from that on we are going to start it. Now we have to 70 is the correct position is assumption. What I want to assume is the 70 is in a correct position. So that's why we taken as a of 1. I is equal to 1 means what? Key elements became the now 10. Key elements became the 10. It is in correct position. Assumption. It's assumption. Assumption ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 70 ಇದು correct position ಇದೆ. So ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We will start from this I onwards. Okay. Then next step 2. Again one more loop I want to take for j is equal to I down to 1. Means what? Just I have taken I value as a j. Now j is having how much? I will in this one only. I will also keep it here only. Because j. Okay. So what are the I values there? That I have stored in the j. I value ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅದೇ ನಾವು j ದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿವೆ. We shifted to the j down to 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ವರೆಗೆ. 1 ವರೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿವೆ. ಇದು 1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡಿವೆ. Next, these are the top 2 rules. Okay, you can understand this one. Step 3. If A of j, if A of j is less than A of j minus 1. This is the A of j. A of j is how much? 7. A of j minus 1 is previous elements. This is how much? Sorry. A of j is at 10 and A of j minus 1 is 70. Our statement, if A of j is less than A of j minus 1, if it is true, so we will write answer also. A of j is at 10 and A of j minus 1 is at 70. If 10 is less than 70, if condition is true, if this one is true, then we will take one more variable as a temporary. We will take one more variable as a temporary. Temporary is equal to A of j. So again, what upon the A of j is temporarily store made. So now temporary is having A of j value that is a 10. Now A of j is empty. Now A of j is empty. Okay. Next, A of j is equal to A of j minus 1. A of j is equal to A of j is how much? 70. So that was shifted into A of j minus 1. Now A of j minus 1 is empty. Okay. Next, A of j minus 1 is equal to A of temporary. This temporary value, temp. Next, A of j is equal to temp. So this one becomes here. Sorry, this is 70. Values are get exchange. Values are get exchange. Temperature is equal to A of j. That is a 10. A of j is equal to A of j minus 1. A of j minus 1 is 71. That is 71. A of j. Now A of j minus 1 is equal to 10. Temp is 10. It becomes a value. Now A of j minus 1 is a 10. A of j minus 1 is a 10. A of j is a 70, 40, 30, 80. So one step is over. One step is over. Okay. So right here end of it. And for end of for step 2. So again go for step 1 here. Again it will increase by 1. So after completion of this one, again your here will be increase. I is 1 to n minus 1 is there. So it will increase by 1 again. Is month 1 then increase agutte. 1 increase agutte ಮತ್ತೆ next step to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಎರಡು ಈಗ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. So here it becomes R and as well as J. The again process will be get continued. Some process to continue agutte. So again end up for step 1. Step 1 को end आगुತ್ತೆ. Process continue ಮುಗಿದ ನಂತರ step 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So last is the step 4. Exit. Okay. So this is what algorithm of sorting, insertion sort. ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ insertion sort algorithm. ಈ ತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. So after the function one step, we will again go for loop. I will take the next elements. I will do the comparison start with. This is A of j. This is A of j minus 1. ಇದು A of j ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು j minus 1 ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಟೆಂಪರಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ will get continued until the all elements will get sorted. The process will be continued until the all elements will get sorted. So this is one method of algorithm. One more method is there. I will explain once again now. This is one method. See, algorithms you can write based on your logic. Programs you can write based on your logic. Nim logic तक कहीं algorithm बरेबोल, nim logic तक कहीं programs बरेबोल. So this is one algorithm. This is one method. You know method. This is not in government book. This is not in government book. Just I will given one method like this. One more method is there as per your government book. Government book ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು method ಇದೆ. ಅದು method ನಿಮಗೆ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. I will take one more example, one more algorithm that is based on your government book. That I will explain now. Algorithm method to one more example. Step 1 for p is equal to 1 to n minus 1. So again p is equal to 1, it becomes a p now. In this segment take a variable as p. P to n minus 1 is last elements. So again here also 7 is the assumption, this is the correct position. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು 7 into correct position ಇದೆ ಅಂತ assumption ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So taken 1 is first location. This is p. It becomes p now. Up to n minus 1 is last location. Last location again start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then step 2. Temporary is equal to a of p. That means again temp also here only. ಇದು temp ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Temperature is AFP. Okay, now temperature is having the AF position value. AF position ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ temperature store ಮಾಡಿವೆ. ನಾವು store this value is the temporary. Then PTR we have taken one more as the PTR. We have taken one more as the PTR. PTR is equal to P minus 1. PTR is equal to P minus 1. This is the P. Minus 1 is this part in this part again PTR. Point variable. And take one variable. One variable ತಗೊಂಡಿವೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ PTR is equal to P minus 1. ಇದು P minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ previous value. It is 70. Now PTR is 70. Okay, PTR is 70. Then step 3. 5. Your temporary is less than a of PTR. A of PTR. While your temperature is less than A of PTR. And we are temperature is how much now? Temperature is 10 and PTR is how much? 70. Temperature is 10, PTR is 70. Suppose if your temporary means 10 is less than A of PTR means 70, which is correct. It is sorry if it is the correct one, then next step will be get executed. If sorry next new statement will be executed after. If it is correct, the next statement will be get executed. So what is next executed? A of PTR plus 1 is equal to A of PTR. Value exchange means if it is correct or to exchange the values. So now here A of PTR plus 1 is next location is equal to A of PTR. This value becomes 70. A of PTR plus A of PTR means what? A of PTR is how much? 70. 70 are stored into A of PTR plus 1. This A of PTR plus 1 store ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So A of PTR plus 1 becomes 70. Then next statement PTR is equal to PTR minus 1. PTR is equal to PTR minus 1. Okay. This is equal to PTR value is equal to PTR minus 1. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This value becomes minus 1. Now PTR is how much? 70. So PTR is equal to becomes 10. The value will be get exchanged. Value will be exchange ಆಗ್ತವೆ. Values are just exchange. Okay. End up you get means what? For your no confusion. Again Peter becomes the minus means stay here only. Peter means ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Peter minus 1 ಮತ್ತು ಇದು as it is ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತದೆ. And then you stop this one. End up 5. Step 4. A of PTR plus 1 equal to temporary. A PTR plus 1 is equal to temporary. Andre if the next value temporary 1 irutte but next value bartade mundina value bartade. Next value becomes PTR plus 1. Exit. So this is about our second method. This is about what? Second method of algorithm. And the instructions orderly, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You can follow first method or second method. Anyone. You can follow anyone, either first method or second method. Okay. So today we are discussing about insertion sort. In today's class we discuss about insertion sort method. So 2 days back only we got the syllabus that is reduced by 30%. In PCMP it is clear, but for serious it is just simple complications are there. Whatever the 30% syllabus reduced, 6 lab programs are based on that syllabus only. 6 lab programs are based on that reduced syllabus only. Then conclusion is that they are reduced for theory syllabus. Then what about practicals? They did not mention anything about practicals. They did not mention anything about practicals. Part B practicals are get reduced based on syllabus, but they did not told. That is one thing. Second thing is that chapter number 13, database concept. It is not there in the available syllabus, and as well as it is not there in the deleted syllabus. And what to do? That one is complication. So within 1 week, I will take the clarification from the board. So after that, I will tell you final syllabus. How much syllabus is there? Right now, up to 12 chapters are there. Remaining all chapters are reduced. But 13th chapter we don't know whether it is there or not there, because it did not mention anything. There is a complication system. And second thing, programs, lab programs. Part A is intact, all the lab programs are there. In part B, SQL programs and HTML programs. Both chapters are removed. If theory chapters are removed, then I am not able to take the practicals. But they did not told anything about practicals. So that one is complication is there. So after getting clarification, I will give final syllabus only. Okay. Suppose if it is the final only, after 12 chapters only, then I think only one chapter is remaining for us. This is chapter is going on, and one more chapter is remaining. That is the Boolean algebra. If I take Boolean algebra also, then your 100% syllabus is completed this year. Okay. I already told you, time is very short. Be ready for the examination. Prepare well. Complete all the assignments work. Whatever assignments I have given, from that only the question will be asked for examination. There is no any other questions. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ठीक है, ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಏನು ನೋಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.